Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start now. Make sure the phone is unlocked with your PIN or fingerprint because you will change security. Open Settings, then tap Lock Screen and Security or Biometrics and Security. This path varies by model. Once there, find Screen Lock Type to see the active method, plus Secure Lock Settings and Smart Lock. You need these screens to safely remove the lock. Otherwise, the system will force you to keep protection. Make sure you know your current PIN before proceeding. Now tap Screen Lock Type and pick None or Swipe to turn off automatic locking. The phone asks for your PIN or pattern to confirm, enter it. If none isn't available, first disable biometrics like fingerprint under biometrics, then return to Screen Lock Type. Next, open Smart Lock and remove trusted devices, places, or on-body detection because they can keep the screen unlocked. Make sure those are off. Once done, the device will stop asking for the lock when waking. Finish by exiting Settings and Testing. Press Power to sleep, then wake. You should see no PIN or pattern prompt. If the lock still appears, make sure no device admin or corporate account enforces security. Go to Accounts or Device Admin Apps and revoke that control. If Smart Lock or biometrics remain active, disable them and reboot. As a troubleshooting tip, if corporate policies block changes, remove the work account or contact your admin. Otherwise, a reboot usually clears lingering settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.